Namaste and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to say keep it up in Nepali and understand how it is used in conversation. So, if you are ready to improve your Nepali language skills, stick around. Keep it up is a phrase we use to encourage someone to continue doing something they are doing well. In Nepali, the translation is jari rakha. Informal is jari rakha and formal is jari rakhnuhos, or sometimes we say lagi rahnuhos or lagi rakha. The phrase jari rakha literally means keep going or continue doing it, while jari rakhnuhos is more formal and lagi rahnuhos means keep up the effort or stay dedicated. Both are used to encourage someone in their work or efforts. Example number 1, casual conversation. Let's use keep it up in a casual context. Imagine your friend is doing great in his studies or work. You would say, Nepali sentence, तिमीले राम्रो गरिरहेका छौ, जारी राख. तिमीले राम्रो गरिरहेका छौ, जारी राख. This means you are doing good or great. Keep it up. Example number 2, formal conversation. Now, if you are talking to a senior or someone in a formal setting, you can use the most respectful phrase लागि रहनुहोस्. For example, you might say, तपाईले राम्रो गरिरहनु भएको छ, लागि रहनुहोस्. तपाईले राम्रो गरिरहनु भएको छ, लागि रहनुहोस्. This translates to you are doing well, keep it up. Let's quickly recap. For informal conversations, you can say jari rakha, and for formal or polite conversations, use jari rakhnuhos. Easy, right? Let's practice some more from my website. Motivating someone during studies. तिमीले राम्रो पढ्दैछौ, जारी राख. You are studying well. Keep it up. तिमीले राम्रो पढ्दैछौ, जारी राख. Or you can also say, तिमीले राम्रो पढ्दैछौ, यस्तै पढिरहनु, यस्तै पढ्नु, or यस्तै पढिरहनु, or यस्तै गरिरहनु. Next example number 2, complimenting consistent effort. You are working very hard. Keep it up. तिमीले धेरै मेहनत गरिरहेका छौ, जारी राख. तिमीले धेरै मेहनत गरिरहेका छौ, जारी राख. और यस्तै गरिरहनु, और लागि राख. तिमीले धेरै मेहनत गरिरहेका छौ, लागि राख. This is informal sentence and formal sentence is तपाईले धेरै मेहनत गरिरहनु भएको छ, जारी राख्नुहोस्. तपाईले धेरै मेहनत गरिरहनु भएको छ, जारी राख्नुहोस्. Another example, you are practicing well, keep it up. तिमीले राम्रो अभ्यास गरिरहेका छौ, जारी राख. That's all for today's lesson. Now you know how to say keep it up in Nepali and encourage your friends or colleagues in both casual and formal ways. Keep practicing and of course, jari rakhnuhos in your Nepali language learning journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun and easy Nepali lessons. And please visit agentakash.com/Nepali for more resources. And let us know in the comments how you would use keep it up in Nepali. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Keep it up. Keep it up.